what are you doing?
Where is Nana?
Sophia, did you get scared?
Did you get scared? Was I scared?
Can I have the shark?
What happened?
The only thing
Ray, tell me what happened.
Please, can I have the shark?
Why?
Just tell me what happened. Tell me.
I scared her with the crocodile.
I'll scare her with the crocodile.
I'll scare her with the shark. Dun 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 dun.
Sophia's over there with the T-Rex. Ray, how'd you scare her?
With the crocodile.
Exactly how with the crocodile?
I made a weird noise.
What noise?
I'll say it. Scared.
Say the noise. No, that wasn't the noise. It was like. Sophia, why are you sitting in the corner? You gonna scare Nana? Nice, Dina. No. Don't touch. Stop. Stop. Mom. Did you see Sophia's face when Mary scared her? I'm jealous.
What did it look like?
What? Look at its face.
I can't make it straight.
Go scare Nana.
Where are we? What is this? What Denver Museum of Science? What the heck?
Museum of Nature and
Here, that's not a real crocodile. That was a fake crocodile. It was a fake. Yeah, fake. You're fake. I thought it was real. All right, we're gonna swim up. What the last?
We're gonna swim. See the swim. Do it. Scared Nana? Would you seriously get scared? Sophia freaked out.
Swim.
I thought you were going to find you.
Swim.
Oh god, now we gotta wait an extra 10 minutes. Huh?
Can I have the crocodile?
Oh, I give it to Dad.
Wait, let me see.
Sophia, let me see the dinosaur. What does he eat?
Ready?
Wait, don't do it yet.
Good dinosaurs?
Yeah, you ready?
Not the bad dinosaurs? So Nana, what happened? Me and Cena. You tripped. Me and Cena were over there. Raymond grabbed that crocodile Matthew has. What is that? Oh, that's I had that. And she's like sitting right here. And she's like, and then like the babies come up and she's like, ah, and Sophia screams.
Sound like you're
Hey,
What's my glasses? Watch it.
Ah!
Now you're gonna bring those glasses. Now stop. Okay, let's go upstairs. Come on, Pete.
Come on, Mom.
The dinosaurs upstairs.
Let's see the dinosaurs.
And swim,
See the real
Cena.
dinosaurs.
Swim.
Oh, you gotta leave those here. You gotta put
Swim.
them-
Yes, put them back.
you gotta put them
And let's swim.
This one downstairs, Mommy. This one downstairs.
Come on, let's go see. Hurry. Oh, my legs. Not gonna make it.
Dad, where's this place called?
Denver, what is it?
Museum of Nature and Science.
Is that Denver Museum? Science Museum? I don't know.
Something about a science museum.
Ready to go upstairs?
Out of shape.
Oh my god.
Dare you to jump.
No. Do it.
Don't run, man.
Ew.
Ew.
Bacteria.
Oh, he's crazy.
How evolution. Oh my god, look at the bird. He's eating a bug. You stabbed him. What? Mutations. Whoa, I was not done reading that. Go back.
Look. A walking catfish.
What the heck?
That's disturbing.
Looks like you've seen it. Walk.
Stina, read it. Read it. All right. Let me press it for you.
I'm not reading.
Here, look at there's
All right,
more.
What the heck is this? Oh my god. That's scary.
Read it. Go read it.
Is it? Oh, it's a mud skipper. I've seen that.
Oh, I thought you could touch it.
You're like, touch! What are you pushing?
I want to see what it looked like before.
What are you doing? You're gonna do it like this.
Like I see it like this.
You suck. I'm sorry, this exhibit is being recorded. That's messed up. I wanted to play on this.
Which one's the top? 1, 2.
It looks like you, Ray. Right there.
And it looks like me.
3 of them.
And then that's Cena over there.
That what? Yes, you.
Where's Tina? Oh, that's Tina up there.
Yeah, I just said that's Cena.
Fine. See it here. Read it.
Look at this catfish, Matthew. Look at the walking catfish.
It's weird. Did you see? That's a mud skipper thing.
All right.
You look scary.
Yeah.
It's Halloween house. You gotta get boop boop boop.
That thing is weird.
Alright. Boop 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 boop. Read us.
He saw the fish was like this.
This lady like blends into the chair.
Oh my god. The fish was
We
like
have to
this.
try to say go.
He said the fish was like this.
No.
What?
You can.
What do you do? Tell me.
No. Fine.
It's over here.
That's gonna be in your room.
It's a scorpion thing.
They look like cactus.
They are cactus, are they? Small rootless plants. Who's crying? Crap, I almost fell.
So that fish can walk on water
Apparently.
and suck on those.
What is that fish?
Huh?
A lungfish? Does that mean he can go on land?
Obviously.
Obviously.
Let's try to find this one.
Hey Matt, look at the dinosaurs over here. Oh, they're hyena. Or no. What are those? I don't even know.
I don't know.
A little bit dark over there.
Look at the turtle.
iPad only lets me upload a certain amount, so we gotta go.